Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to super bounce in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. This powerful technique lets you launch off specific track edges, gaining a massive speed boost. It is an advanced maneuver that can dramatically improve your race performance, often allowing for incredible shortcuts. Mastering it requires understanding the game's physics and precise controller inputs. We will break down an easy method to help you start performing super bounces consistently and effectively. Get ready to elevate your racing game. For an easier start, begin by selecting a lightweight character, such as Baby Mario or Dry Bones, as they offer more precise handling. Pair them with a kart body and tires that prioritize mini-turbo statistics. This is crucial for maximizing your bounce's effectiveness. Good examples include the Bitty Buggy or Mr. Scooty. Then, pick a track known for accessible super bounce spots, like Big Blue or Mount Wario, to practice your technique. This setup provides the best foundation for learning. Executing the super bounce involves 3 key steps. First, approach the edge of a designated bounce surface at a slight angle, initiating a drift just before you make contact. Second, release your drift button at the exact moment your kart touches the edge. This timing is critical for triggering the bounce. Third, immediately after releasing the drift, press the hop button. If done correctly, your kart will launch high into the air, granting you a significant speed boost. Practice makes perfect. Mastering the super bounce takes dedication, but the rewards are immense. Focus on consistent practice, repeating the steps on different parts of the track until the timing becomes second nature. Experiment with varying approach angles and speeds to understand how they affect your bounce. Pay close attention to the visual cues and sound effects that indicate a successful mini-turbo and hop. With persistent effort, you will soon be incorporating super bounces seamlessly into your races, leaving your opponents in the dust. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.